This is BalanceFrom GoYoGa Exercise Mat, new version. This is black. So let's open the package. It's really easy to remove. Alright, this is actually the mat. It says 1/2 inch. Yeah, it's pretty thick. And you see I squeeze. I cannot squeeze like a super thin, and it will bouncing up. And let's see if it can stretch. Basically, you just cannot stretch, right? I can stretch a little bit to see this part, and this one you can stretch a little bit. So I think this is a pretty good product. It's thick and it's kind of soft. It's like a rubber-like stuff, and I don't feel like any smelly bad smell. Yeah, that's another good thing, that it just have a little bit smell, but overall when I open it, it doesn't smell at all. No, it's really good. It's just like a normal plastic product. Perfect. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.